Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create an email signature in Canva for Gmail. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up the Canva website, and you're going to need a Canva account to do this. Go to the top where the search bar is, then search for email signature, like so. Once you're here, you can either choose to create a blank email signature or select one of the pre-made templates. I'm going to choose this one, for example. And then I'm going to click on where it says Customize this template. Now, from here, I'm going to make some changes because we obviously want this to be customized to what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and change this top heading to Benny's Guide. Then I'll change this to Tutorial Channel, like so. Let's say we don't want to have our address or website on this signature. What I'll do is remove the address by clicking on it and clicking on the Delete button right here. Or you can just click on it and press the delete key on your keyboard. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same for both of these as well. Let's go ahead and actually change this image out. So I'm going to click on the image, come over to the Uploads tab, and then actually upload our own image by clicking on Upload Files. Now I'm just going to select my profile picture here. Then we can go ahead and click on it in the sidebar. Now I'm going to remove the original image, drag this image onto the frame, like so, and then remove this signature as well. Now that we have our signature the way we want it to look, what we can do is go to the top right where it says Share, then click on where it says Download. We're going to select PNG for the file type, and then click on where it says Download. Next, we're going to open up our Gmail account and then go to the Settings at the top right by clicking on the Settings button. Next, we're going to click on where it says See All Settings. From here, we're going to scroll down until we see the signature section right here and click on where it says Create New. I'm just going to enter Default for the signature name. You can name it whatever you want. Inside the signature box, what we're going to do is click on the Image button right here. We're going to click on where it says Google Drive, then click on where it says Upload. From here, we're going to click on Browse, find that signature we just created, and click on Open. It's going to upload that signature to our Gmail account. That looks good. Now we can go ahead and click on Save Changes at the bottom of the settings page. Now, whenever we send an email through our Gmail account, that signature should be attached at the end of the email when we send it. So that's basically how you can create an email signature in Canva for Gmail. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.